Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable passwordless withdrawals on Bitget account. So first we're going to go to our Bitget app. So we're going to log in. So next we're going to click on the profile icon on the top left corner, then on our account. Then we're going to go to the security option. Then we're going to scroll down and click on withdrawal settings. Then here, as you can see, the passwordless withdrawals are turned off, so you can turn it on. So when you turn it on, it's going to tell you the limit. You guys can choose the 24-hour verification limit as well as the verification fee limit. So once you choose it, you're going to click on save. Then they're going to send you a verification code via your email as well as your Google Authenticator app. So you guys are going to insert those codes. So once you're done, it's turned on. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.